pinch it and pull it. Now we are going to rotate our ear inwards and outwards. On count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now we are going to do the breathing ear exercise. Take your both thumb like this. Connect your ear edge. Now connect your index finger on your eyebrow, middle finger and ring finger on your eyes, and little finger on your edge of the nose. When I am saying 1 and 2, you have to inhale, and next you have to breathe out in your mouth as a sound. On count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now slowly release your hands. Now we are going to activate our third eye activation. Take your thumb finger, place it on your middle of the both eyebrows. Now we are going to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. On count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Change your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Don't open your eyes. Take your both palm, rub it, feel the warmth, nicely generate the heat. Make a cup on your palms, place it on your eyes. Now take a long breath, hold a second. Now slowly release your hands. Look at the palm with beautiful smile and blink on your eyes. Now relax. The next one is eye exercise. When I am saying 1, you have to keep your eyes up. When I am saying 2, see your eyes down. When I am saying 3, rotate your eyes left. When I am saying 4, rotate your eyes right. Uncount starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now we move on to the Throtaka exercise, the most powerful exercise for the eyes. Place your thumb like this and bring thumb to closer to the edge of your nose. Uncount starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, and change. Now we are going to rotate our thumb clockwise and anti-clockwise. Focus only on your edges of the thumb. And count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now bring both your hands closer to your hand. Now we are going to do the high stretch exercise. When I am saying 1, move your hand like this. When I am saying 2, move your left hand like this. And count starts. Focus only on your eyeballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now connect your hand like this. We are going to draw the 8 in air. And count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now the last exercise is gratitude exercise. Take your hand like this, reverse, connect, place it down and place it up. Now the gratitude on count starts. You can thank each and everyone as you like. While doing this before, you have to take a long breath and thank everyone. On count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now slowly come to Namaskara Mudra. We will finish our part to Brenjim from prayer. Sarve Janam Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now we are seeing our eyes from 20 minutes from our mobile screen. Now we can relax our eyes, take opposite direction any of the object, focus any of the point. Now blink your eyes with beautiful smile as much fast you can. Uncount starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Okay, friends, we have done our part 1 as well as part 2 brain gym exercise with respect of Mani sir and our today's joining team. Hope your day will be a happiness and beautiful day. Thank you so much to all.
Happy morning, Manina.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Happy morning, sir.
அனைவருக்கும்
Mani sir, namaskaram.
Gobi sir, good morning. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank
Good
you.
Lakshmi
Happy
Narayan,
morning.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Happy morning. So
Happy morning.
thank you so much for joining the 5 a.m. and practicing it. Can you see the screen?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sure, sir.
So this is how I am tracking your attendance and those who are not registered still with us. So this is the registration. When you register, when you fill this form, this is the form. When you fill this form, all your data would be coming here. Okay. So I'll be looking at it and approving it. So we will be giving you the roles. So what are all the different roles? If you can see the master practitioner who practiced for 108 days. So the trainer is who is actually leading all the training sessions. And learner is who is actually joined now and taking part into the activities. And there might be few learners who are not taking part into our activities. Practitioner is already practicing it. And slowly we would be promoting them into the next level based on their regular activities. And this is like you are giving the date and adding you the names. I cannot add your name if you are not registered here because that is how I have designed it. This is how I build this app. Okay. And these are like, it's automatically it will come here when I add the people and the activity and who is the lead. So if there are 2 people are there, I will be adding them also. And these are all the list of activities we would be performing as part of Empower. Brain gym, happiness dose, chakra healing meditation, energy breathing, reflection, kindness challenge, hunger free RNA, motivation day, tuning Tuesday, wonderful Wednesday, this tiny challenges of every day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and zero budget treatment, which I would be taking only on Sunday, but you can practice on every day. And mudra therapy, I'd be sharing on regular basis, and already I shared the document with you. And thinking challenge is what I'm daily posting in the group. And auricular therapy of the day. So I'm sharing you the auricular therapy, right? So that is the thing. And 5 a.m. task is what whoever joins the 5 a.m. task, that is what. These are all the 19 activities right now we are doing as part of Empower. So whoever takes parts right now, what is I'm not tracking is the thinking challenge responses. So we need to channelize it properly. So I'm working on with Yamini so that she would start working on this thing. So that is one thing, and I am suggesting you again. So once all the people register here, only we will move them to there, and we are going to work on a buddy system also, where each of this learner registered member would be getting a buddy. So for a buddy, we'll have minimum 1 or 2 members tagged under them to help them to finish all our activities. It's not a mandatory that they need to do all, but at least they should perform. Okay. So once all you submit your forms, I would be approving them. I'd be going through each and every profile, and I just did it only for the first 4, and I'm yet to do for the remaining members. We want to do a clear background verification check before approving it. So once I approve it, I'll be designing a membership ID and a membership certificate for each and every person. And I'll be adding the link over here, and I'll be sending the same membership ID and certificate with all of you over a WhatsApp. That is the process. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And you can get your score like this. So now Yamini and Dhanalakshmi ma'am is leading the board actually. So this is what the scoreboard. This is what we will be sharing from 1st October onwards. So now we are just practicing it. So how this going to be work out? And I need to give her a learner. Okay. So this is how it would be. Any doubts here? And I cannot add Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Gokul, because they are not yet registered. They are yet to register. That's what I'm telling every day. So if you people can register here, we can add you people. That is the ultimate goal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So friends, you might be asking why all these things. So all the statistics will help us how actually you are improving your mental health well-being. So that is the ultimate goal. So the daily progress, I'm telling you, 1% growth. That 1% growth, to measure it, we are working on these statistics. Okay. It doesn't mean that it's just like a school attendance kind of a thing. Through this, so are you really happy? Is that really helping you? So you'll go back and look at what are all the activities that you are doing actually. So if you are performing various activities, I assure you, I promise you that definitely your mental health well-being is growing day by day. Happiness is growing day by day. And your health is growing day by day. These are the 3 aspects. Health, mental health well-being, and happiness. So we are getting into 3 aspects, and all these 3 aspects, how we can measure. So one of the parameters, I'm not telling this is the only parameter, one of the parameters is your reflection score. Our reflection score. Is that clear?
Yes,
Sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
And we will be soon setting up a meeting for all the practitioners. We selected few members as the change makers who would be working as helping with your buddies. So they'll be handling the sessions, and soon we'll be setting up a meeting with all the change makers to train before we start our buddy system. Okay, before we assign your buddies. Okay, so today is a Saturday. Remember, it's a service day. Help others to make a difference. Those who help others, they would be more happier person. Clear? So,
Yes, sir.
okay, great. Let's switch to task.
Thank you, Mani sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.